So what can be sold on eBay? There are over 15,000 categories on eBay, which means that just about anything can be sold. However, there are a few things you should avoid. Products that require a license, for example, alcohol and tobacco, are difficult to sell on eBay. Alcohol, along with a number of other products, is a restricted product on eBay and can only be listed on eBay under certain conditions. Other products that can only be listed on eBay under certain conditions are animal and wildlife products, so for example, bags made out of animal skin, event tickets, human parts and remains, postage meters, for example, franking machines, and vouchers. Items which are entirely banned from eBay include anything which can be used to break the law, so for example, stolen property, police-related items, offensive material, lock-picking devices, also licensed products like prescription drugs and firearms, weapons and knives. Some branded items, for example Gucci or other high-end fashion items, are difficult to sell on eBay. This is because eBay operates something called the Vero program. Vero stands for the Verified Rights Owners program. It enables brands to police eBay listings. They can do such things as pull fakes or pull listings which use content without their permission. So for example, you could have bought an item entirely legitimately through a wholesaler and not through the brand directly, but the brand will say that you are using their stock photos and have your listing pulled through the Vero program. Brands tend to subcontract the management of their brands on eBay to agencies. If a product you're selling gets flagged in the Vero program, you will first off get a warning saying that the listing has been removed and you shouldn't list it again. The second time round, you will get a suspension. You'll not be able to list new items for a number of days. Third time will be a longer suspension, and after that your account will be in danger of closure. Once you've had a Vero mark against your account, it is very hard to appeal. There are two main types of listing on eBay: auction and fixed price. With an auction, an item typically starts at a low price and people bid against each other to win the auction. Unlike an auction in an auction house, the auction will have a defined ending point, and it's the person who has the highest bid at that point who wins. Auctions have certain advantages. The potential for higher prices, as people bid against each other competitively to win the item. If you're not sure what the price of an item should be, you can let the market determine the price. If you start your item at a low price, then the item has a much better chance of selling than a fixed price item at a high price. And finally, an auction has a certain sense of urgency about it. People are competing to win it. The disadvantages of auctions is they're difficult to automate. You cannot relist an auction if it doesn't sell. Also, because the buyer is not necessarily around when the item ends, they will automatically pay for it. And frequently people do not pay or pay late. So in summary, an auction is good for unique items without a defined price. So looking at eBay, we can see examples of these different types of listings. Here at the top we have fixed price listings, and you can see the price here. If we go to the bottom and we select auction listings, we can see just the auction listings, and we can see that's the starting bid there, and there's the number of bids on the item, and that's how much time is left. So the winning bidder at the end of 2 days and 20 hours will be the person that wins this phone. We're down here, this one here has currently had 4 bids, and the highest bid is £72.80. If we click on an item, this one has 5 minutes left, we can see the bids on that item. So we click here, we can see 4 bids, and here are the details of the bids. So there's the name of the bidder, and here's the bid amount. And if you want to place a bid, you can place your bid here. Although eBay started off as an auction marketplace, most of the items on eBay are now sold at a fixed price. Fixed price listings have a number of advantages. The items are available for immediate purchase, so people do not need to wait till the end of an auction. The listings of these products can be automated, so you can list a product on a good till cancel duration, and the item will automatically renew every 30 days. Items can be listed and edited in bulk, and payment is immediate. You also have the option for the markdown manager to enable you to do sales on your fixed priced items. On the other hand, with fixed price items there is no sense of urgency. There are also relisting fees depending on your shop level. So if you have a basic shop level, it'll cost something like 30 pence to relist an item. So in summary, fixed price items are good for consumer items with a defined market price. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.